What's up and welcome back to another video.
Pink Paper Doll. Hi loves, it's me, your girl Z, and welcome to my channel. All of my social media will be linked in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and of course, don't be shy, subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified every time I upload.
Welcome if you are new. You know what to do. Go ahead and click that subscribe button below and become part of the pretty pink party. Hey. All of my social medias are linked in the description below. So if you are not, you can go ahead and check me out on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, all of those lovely social media unhealthy platforms. I'm on all of them. Today, we are going to be reviewing the goddess upon goddesses perfume, Miss Ariana Grande herself. And we are going to be reviewing ARI. I just got this in the mail yesterday. I'm so super excited about it. One of you guys commented in my last review video and told me to try out ARI. You thought that I would really like the scent, so we're gonna find out. I got the 3.4 ounce perfume. This is what the box looks like. It's a nice pale purple, really pretty, super cute with ARI all over it. It has her signature at the top of the box. Like, I love the box so much, I just kind of want to keep the box. Always and have been, always will be cruelty free, which is really good to know, you guys, because we want to make sure we're using products that are not tested on animals, that are cruelty free, because we love our furry friends. I'm so excited. It's not even Christmas and it's like, oh, before we get into reviewing the perfume, I want to show you guys my nails. So I got some new press-ons yesterday from the beauty supply store. Can you guys see that? My camera's probably not focusing it, but these are like a light pink marble with, can you see? No, you can't see, but it's like a light pink marble with pink glitter. They're super cute. They're supposed to be like press-on gel nails, and I got these from my local beauty supply store, so unfortunately I can't link them below, but I will try to see if I can find some on Amazon for you guys to purchase. I'm sure you can easily find these on Amazon. I think they're by the brand Kiss. They are super cute, and I'm happy to be back with regular nails. Well, not regular nails because they're not acrylic or gel, but I'm happy to have my nails done because the last few videos, ciao. And I'm also wearing my pink sweater that I hauled in a haul, one of these hauls that I've been doing because I've been hauling so much stuff. I can't even remember what haul it was. Was it the Black Friday haul? I think it might have been a Black Friday haul, not entirely sure, but it's super cute and fuzzy and pink, and it has these droop sleeves, really love it, with brown buttons, and it also has pockets, but you guys can't see that. And then I'm wearing this heart pendant necklace that I got a while ago, so I can't remember where it's from, and then this jeweled headband that I got from Forever 21, and that was also in a Black Friday haul, I believe. Now that we've gone over everything, we're gonna get into the review. Oh my god, I'm fucking 5 because I just, when it comes to like cute shit, like cute girly stuff, I just can't contain myself. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Whoever suggested I do a review on this perfume, thank you, because this bottle is everything. I say the rim bottle was still better than this bottle. But this packaging, you guys, look at that. Can you see the detail? Can you see? The lid is like a rose gold color, and it says Ariana Grande. It has her name embossed on it. And I don't even see if you guys can, I don't even know if you guys can see that. This is so freaking cute! Oh my god. And the perfume's actually pink. You guys, this will fit so perfect in my new bathroom. And it has a poof ball. The poof ball is white. Now, I love pink and white together. Those are like my favorite two colors together. The only thing is, you guys, I wish that this pom-pom ball was like a light pink color, only because white makes me really nervous. Like, I feel like it's gonna get dirty, and I just don't want it to get dirty. So this does make me nervous, but this is so freaking cute. Okay, you guys? Okay, girl! Girl, why you keep snapping on us? ARI Perfume by Ariana Grande is a luscious and sexy fragrance. Ooh. It opens with sparkling fruits, I like that, and an ultra feminine floracy, is that a word? I guess it is. Floracy, passionately spun with musks, wood, and addictive hint of marshmallow. Ooh. Okay, so I'm liking what I'm hearing with the fruits. I'm liking what I'm hearing with the marshmallow. I'm a little afraid when I heard musk and woods. We're gonna see what it smells like. The scent type is fruity and sweet. The top key notes are crispy pear, pink grapefruit, and juicy raspberry. The middle notes are soft muguet, rose buds, and vanilla orchid. And the base notes are marshmallow, creamy musk, and blonde woods. Oh my God, you guys, I'm so nervous. I'm nervous because if something stinks, like I'm a really smelly person. I love smelling good. And if something doesn't smell good, like I can't stand it when something stinks. So for me, this is kind of like, I don't know if I want to spray it on myself. Okay, so let's just spray it in the air and see what it smells like. I don't want the ball to get wet. How do I do this? Oh, let's put the ball over here behind it. Woo. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. This reminds me of something that I've had before. I've had this scent before. Oh my God. I smell the marshmallow. I smell the raspberry. I kind of smell a grapefruit. I'm not sure if it's grapefruit, but I do smell a citrus sea scent in there. And I don't smell any musk, but it might come in as it warms up a little bit. Oh my God, that guys, okay, I can't even talk. It's so good. You guys, this smells so freaking delicious. Like if somebody was wearing this, like I would be all over them. This smells so freaking good. Like if you're trying to get a boy, you need to get this perfume, girl, because this is a man attracting magnet. Okay, let's spray it on my skin, and I want to just see what it smells like on my skin. Oh wow, wow. Girl, I smell like a freaking Jolly Rancher in this bitch. Okay, let me calm down. I smell like a freaking candy house, okay? A Jolly Rancher. Charlie in the Chocolate Factory, okay? I smell so good. Oh my God, y'all, this smells so good. I want to cuddle with myself. That's how good I smell. Like I want to cuddle with me. Oh my God, I love this perfume. I do want to compare it to the Ram perfume because that is her first perfume that I purchased and got. The difference I would say is Ram is a lot, not darker, but more mature scent. It definitely smells sexy. You definitely get a little bit more of that musky scent. Opposed to this one, this is a really light scented fragrance, like a really vibrant. When I think terms of scents transitioning into colors, this is very vibrant, and Ram is not as vibrant as this. However, Ram had this sexy kind of note to it that just made you feel like a woman. Like I felt like a woman in a cat suit, you know what I mean? I felt like I had magically grown boobs and a butt, and like I was ready to work, okay? But this one, it smells more of like a really pretty cute girl, like someone in her cute tracksuits, you know, her pink. I can just see myself. You guys, this is so me. This is so me, okay? And her pink tracksuits, you know. This is definitely more, to me, a girly scent, whereas Ram was definitely more of a mature lady scent, a young woman scent. So I can see, I'm not sure, is this her first perfume, you guys? Comment below and let me know, is this her first perfume? Because I can see, I would love to get the rest of her perfumes just to see how she transitioned into adulthood, because I think that's what you're really getting out of her perfumes, is this story of her life, of her maturity and her transitioning into womanhood. And I think if this is probably her first perfume, I could see why this one is very girly and very young, because that's who she was. And then you get to watch her grow into the last fragrance, which is Ram. And Ram is just, I don't know, I call it Ram, but it's REM. And Ram is just so powerful. It's so strong, it's so mature, it's a woman in power. And this is definitely a princess kind of a scent, a girly girl, very light and cute and fluffy. I think that between the two perfumes, packaging wise, I would say Ram definitely had more packaging. That packaging was off the freaking chain. Like, girl, Ari, your mind, my mind, we are on the same page. Like, I'm feeling you, girl. Like, that packaging was it. I would definitely rate the packaging on this an 8. I love the roundness, the jewel, the luxe look. I love the little pom-pom ball giving me frilly, girly, flirty. I really like it. I'm living for it. I like that she embossed her name on it. She's always putting her name on stuff, and normally I don't like to buy like things with brand names on them, but because I am such a fan of her, I love that her name's on it. It's giving me life. I love that the perfume itself is pink. Like, hello, I love that. I would grab Ram for you guys, but we're packed here, and so I don't know which box it's in. Packaging wise, I would rate this one an 8, and Ram I think was a 10, 12, 15, 20. It was everything. It was life. And for scent, I cannot remember what I rated Ram, but I would definitely say that if I compared this scent to Ram scent, I like this scent like 2 times better than Ram. Ram was really sexy and it was a really nice scent. It did turn musky towards the end and woodsy kind of towards the end, which is not really my style. Remember, you guys, I told you guys my style is sweet and fruity, and this is sweet, fruity, and girly without being too immature. Like, this doesn't smell like an 8-year-old or a 10-year-old or a 12-year-old. This smells like a young woman, like a young woman in her 20s. Okay, so it's mature, but it's also really young. Whereas Ram was like, honey, I'm 20, in my 20s and going to my 30s, ladies. Like, I am shut it down, like man eater. I've smelled something that smelled like this before because it's very nostalgic. Like, I started having memories of like being in college and dance classes, and just I started having a lot of memories. So something about this scent is very nostalgic for me. It's a 10 out of 10. I can't remember what I rated Ram. I think it was like maybe an 8 or maybe an 8 or a 7. I can't remember. But this one smells a heck, like, to me, this one beats Ram scent-wise. And yeah, you guys, price-wise, this one's a lot cheaper. Obviously, this is an older perfume, so it's gonna be a lot cheaper than Ram. But both of the perfumes, like, they're both really good perfumes, guys. Thank you to whoever commented below and told me to get this perfume. I'm so glad that I got this. This is so me. Like, how did you know that I was this perfume in this bottle? I love this perfume. Ariana, girl, you're killing it. Like, I don't know, you've been killing it, obviously. If this was your perfume, your first one, girl. This was $42, I want to say. This was $42, and I think Ram was like 60 bucks. So that's the price range you're working with there. Okay, loves, that was my ARI by Ariana Grande perfume review. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you, loves, in the next video. Bye!